I'm sorry I'm late today. My car broke down this morning.
Don't worry, it's all right. Maybe next time you could call though and let me know you are running late, so we don't have to wait for you.
Of course. I was stressed about my car and simply forgot.
I understand. Just remember next time.
I will. I hope I didn't miss anything important.
We started about 30 minutes ago, but I can go over what you have missed again.
Thank you, I really appreciate it. And sorry again for being late.
I've been late before too because I missed the bus. It happens.
Part 1, Making an Apology. I'm sorry that I'm late. I'm sorry for hurting your feelings. Pardon me for cutting ahead. Please forgive me for saying that. I would like to apologize for my behavior. Sorry, but I won't be able to make it to the party. I'm sorry for stepping on your toes. That was wrong of me to do. Part 2, Accepting an Apology. That's all right. I accept your apology. It's okay. Don't worry about it. No need to apologize. I'm the one that needs to apologize. No harm done. No problem. I understand, it's okay. Don't mention it. No big deal. It happens to the best of us.
Dreams are closer than they seem. English helps me reach my dream. One new word can change a day. One short phrase can lead the way. Keep on trying, don't give in.